We actually normally 6:45 we go to school, and by 3:30 we come home. But then today was some function ki kam hale taka lagun. We reached home at 7:15. So when we entered, the ring of the latch was open. It's not there. It was cut, and tale nalle. So we were suspicious. So taka lagun tale chai kalan kadli, and we on the lights. So go to see, we could see the whole house empty. म्हणजे open केला कशें. So then we gave call to our neighbor, and we called the police. And आमकां तालें तें भायर वचून म्हाका सकला मेळ्ळें. And that's how the whole thing is going on now. Mostly jewelry and cash. Cash त्या ड्रॉवान हाडली आनी सेफीन हाडली की jewelry and cash हाडली तातली सगळी व्हेल्या. That's what we are thinking. And yeah, sorry, certificates and all are being thrown down. Everything is thrown out there. Set हाडले with the pendant, the chain, the earrings, bangles. एक मोठे bangle आणि दोन बारीक bangles हाडली. Earrings and all were there. Another bangle was there. Daily wear ती chain घालतात ती असली बीन. So all those are missing. And the cash. पोर केन्ना तांच्यांनी पण दोन लामाणींक पयल्यान म्हणटात. But then if it is लामाणी जाल्यार ती मातशी चलतात. But now the sniffer dog just sniffed and उतीन भोंवलो तो आनी गेलो तो. So that means a bike has come. Some vehicle has come. So it is someone who is either around this area or who has been tracing out this. लामाणी जाल्यार ती चलोन भोंवतात. Unless and until तांच्यांनी प्लॅन काडला बायकार वचपाचो जाल्यार. In that sense. So you don't know, like, because mostly आमी full day आसोन घरा.